In a peaceful woodland lived a cunning little opossum named Oliver. He was known for his quick wit and mischievous nature. One day, while gathering acorns for winter, he noticed a large acorn that caught his eye. It was the biggest acorn he had ever seen, and he couldn't resist the temptation. As he was about to pick it up, he heard a rustle in the bushes. Out came a tall and proud porcupine named Percy. Percy was known for his sharp teeth and sharp quills, and Oliver knew he meant no trouble. "Percy," Oliver said, "I see you here too, looking for acorns. May I ask, have you seen a particularly large one around here?" Percy scowled. "I see you eyeing that big acorn over there. You'd better stay away from it, little opossum. It's mine." Oliver felt a twinge of fear, but he was not one to back down easily. "Oh, Percy," he said, "I didn't realize it was yours. I was just curious." Percy snorted. "Curiosity might have killed the cat, but it won't kill me. Now, leave my acorn alone." Oliver thought for a moment. He knew he couldn't outmuscle Percy, but he was clever. "Percy," he said, with a sly smile, "I have an idea. Why don't we make a wager? If I can guess your favorite tree, you'll let me have that acorn." Percy, always proud, agreed. "Fine. If you can guess my favorite tree, the acorn is yours." Oliver closed his eyes and pointed to a tree nearby. "Is your favorite tree the one with the knotted trunk and the twisted branches? The one that provides the best shade on hot days?" Percy's eyes widened in surprise. "How did you know that?" "I've watched you sit there, Percy, every day. I've seen the way the sunlight dances on your quills when you rest. I've seen the way the wind whispers through your favorite tree. I've been observant, Percy. That's what I do." Percy was defeated. He had underestimated Oliver's intelligence. "Fair and square, little opossum. The acorn is yours." Oliver thanked Percy and walked away with the acorn, his heart full of victory. From that day forward, Oliver was known as the clever opossum, and Percy learned a valuable lesson about underestimating others. Moral asterisk: always be mindful of your assumptions, for they can lead to missed opportunities and lost chances. Observe, be patient, and you may find that even the smallest creature can teach you something valuable.